And I thought I'd tell you guys like the latest update of what's happening at our local Kentucky Fried Chicken here in Japan. Typically, KFC has really yummy food here in Japan. I never eat it in the States. I only eat it here because I think it's so good. And this was a new thing that kind of made me second guess how good it might be. It's two pieces of chicken, boneless chicken, in kind of pretending to be bun. And then inside is this patty of rice that's kind of formed and flavored with sort of a ketchup sauce. There's a bit of mayonnaise and some cheese on here, just kind of gigantic. And my husband got it to give it a try and to share with you guys. But it was actually really tasty, just a little hard to eat. But still really good. So that's the latest from here. And then they're also doing a promotion right now with Dragon Balls, which is always kind of cool. Typically KFC doesn't have very cool, character kind of promotions, but every now and again they get somebody really cool to come in and do stuff. So this is a special promotion where they're offering these kind of water bottles that feature all the different characters. There's 8 different ones to collect, and because they're directed more towards, grown-up fans of Dragon Balls. They're kind of promoted along with sort of the family meals that you can buy. There's different variations of meals that are shown here. Anything ranging from about almost 2,000 yen to like 1,000 yen that you can buy, and then you can get one of the set. There's the special set to spend 5,000 yen and you get all of them. So if you're a big fan of collecting, you could get that. And some extra presents depending on the day and time you come in. You might get some of these cards and stickers and such. But then they also know that there are some young fans out there of Dragon Ball, so there's the Happy Meal that we have, the Happy set, that it's called a Smile set in Japan, with cute little versions of Dragon Balls for kids, different kinds of chopsticks and things like that. So